Rutherford's gold foil experiment. After the discovery of electrons, protons, and neutrons, it became clear that an atom is made up of three subatomic particles. Experiments were then carried out to find how electrons, protons, and neutrons were arranged in an atom. It was Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment or gold foil experiment. Rutherford performed this experiment in 1911. The observation of this experiment led to downfall of Thomson's atomic model. He performed the experiment by bombarding alpha particles of helium ion on a thin gold foil. He selected a gold foil because he wanted as thin layer as possible because gold foil is the most malleable metal. The gold foil used was about 1000 atoms thick. The circular zinc-coated fluorescent screen coated with zinc sulfide was placed around the foil to detect the scattering by alpha particles. These particles have considerable amount of energy. Now it was expected that alpha particles were much heavier than the protons, that he did not expect that there was large deflections in the particles after bombarding them on the gold foil. Most of the alpha particles pass straight through the gold foil without any deflection from their original path, but few alpha particles were deflected through small angles and few were deflected through large angles, and very few were deflected completely or rebound completely, hitting the gold foil and turn back on their path. The observation carried out were these. The first one is, since the most of the alpha particles pass straight through the gold foil without any deflection, it shows that there is lots of space empty inside the atom or in between the atom. Second is that we know that there are similar charges which repel each other. So positively charged body will repel another positively charged particle striking them. Therefore, the observation was that some alpha particles were deflected through small and large angles, showing that there is a center of positively charged in the atom which repels the positively charged alpha particles and deflects them from their original path. Third is, very few alpha particles completely rebound on hitting the gold foil. That shows the nucleus is very dense and hard, which does not allow the alpha particle to pass through it. Mainly, the observation tells us that this experiment shows the presence of nucleus in the atom. It also gives more important information about the nucleus, which is the nucleus of an atom is positively charged. Nucleus of atom is very dense and hard, and nucleus of atom is very small as compared to the size of the whole atom. Thank you.